Hello, very good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today for class 7 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 14 on number system. Okay. Now let us move to the first question. What is the first question? The sum of divisors of 360. The sum of divisors of 360 is. Okay. Now if you want to find out either number of divisors or sum of divisors or product of divisors, whatever it may be, the very first thing is what? The given number is to be written in the form of its standard form. What is the standard form? Product of prime numbers. So first task is to convert 360 as product of its prime numbers. Product of prime numbers. Let us try to do that. First 360. Let us divide with 2, that is 180 times of 2 360, again 2, 290s are 180, again 2 45 times, now it is 3, 3 15s, now 3, 3 5s, 3 5s are 15. So 360 we can write as 2 to the power of, it is 2 cube into, through 2 3s are there, so 3 square into 5 to the power of 1. So we can write 360 as 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Therefore, what is asking now? Sum of the divisors. Sum of the divisors. Sum of the divisors is given by, if you have something like P1 power N1 into P2 power N2 into P3 power N3. If it is something like that, P1 power N1 into P2 power N2 into P3 power N3. Okay, then sum will be P1 power n plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1 into P2 power n2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1 into P3 power n3 plus 1 minus 1 by P3 minus 1. This formula already you know it. So that we have to write it into that form. So here P1 is 2, P2 is 3, P3 is 5. So I can write it as 2 to the power of 3 plus 1, that is 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 square, so it is 3 cube minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into, it is 5 over 1, so it can be written as 5 square minus 1 by 5 minus 1. That is 2 power 4 is 16, 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 by 1, so that is 15 into, here 3 cube is 27, 27 minus 1 is 26, 26 upon 2 into 5 square, that is 25 minus 1, 24 by 4. So that is going to be 15 times of 13 into, here it is 6 times. So 6 15s are 90 into 13, that is 1170. 1170. That is nothing but the first option. Okay, what did we do here? 360 we wrote in standard form. That is product of primes. Next, using this formula, P1, if you have any natural number like P1 power N1 into P2 power N2 into P3 power N3, sum of the factors is P1 power N plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1 into P2 power N2 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 into P3 power N3 plus 1 minus 1 by P3 minus 1. So using that we have simplified this, thereby the final answer we got as 1170 or 1170. That is nothing but the first option. Okay, now we will move to the next question. The sum of the divisors of 120 is, similar question. First step is what? You have to convert 120 to product of primes. 62s, 32s are 60, 15 2s are 30, 3 5s are 15. So we can write 120 as 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. So the first step is 120 we have written in standard form. That is first step. Next step, sum of the factors or sum of the divisors of 120 is equal to, what to write? 2 to the power of 3 plus 1, that is 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 3 square minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. Okay. That is otherwise 2 to the power of 4, 16 minus 1, that is 15 by 1 into 3 square is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 2 into 5 square is 25, 25 minus 1, that is 24 upon 4. So that is 15 into 4 into, here it is 6. Okay, 15 into 4 into 6. What is that? 15 4s are 60, 66 are 360. So 360 is the answer for this. That is nothing but the second option. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. Sum of divisors of 24 is 15 times of p. Then what is p? Solution, let us start. Same way, 24 we have to write as product of primes. We know that 24 is 8 into 3. 8 means 2 cube into 3 power 1. Okay, 2 cube times of 3 power 1. Therefore, sum of divisors of 24, that is equal to 2 to the power of 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 3 minus 1. So that is 16 minus 1, that is 15 by 1 into 3 square is 9 minus 1, that is 8 upon 2. That is otherwise 2 1s are and 2 4s are. 15 into 4, that is 60. But what is he saying? It is given as 15p. So its answer is given as 15p. Given 15p is equal to 60. Therefore, p will be 60 upon 15, that is nothing but 4. So the value of p is 4, that is nothing but the third option for us. Okay, now let us move to the next question. The sum of factors of 2020 other than itself. Other than itself means what to do? First, as usual, you find out the factors, sum of the factors. From that, remove 2020. I mean to say subtract 2020. Then we get the required answer. Okay, now let us start. 2020, let us convert it into product of primes. If you divide with 2, that is 1010. Again 2, that is 505. Now with 5 we have to divide, that is 101. 101 is a prime number, so we have to stop here. So 2020 we can write as 2 square into 5 power 1 into 101 power 1. Okay, 2 square into 5 power 1 into 10 power 1 1. So therefore, sum of the factors of 2020, that is going to be 2 power 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 5 square minus 1 by 5 minus 1 into it is 1001 whole square minus 1 by 1001 minus 1. The same formula, that is 2 cube is 8 minus 1, that is 7 upon 1 into it is 5 square 25 minus 1, that is 24 upon 4 into this is 101 square, we can write it as 101 plus 1, that is 102 into 100 by it is 100. So 100 cancels, here 4 ones and 4 6, so that is 7 into 6 into 102, that is going to be 7 6 are 42, 102 times of 42, that is 84 and 42. 4 to 84 is the answer actually here. 4 to 84 is the answer actually, sum of the roots, sum of the divisors are factors. But what is asking? Sum of the factors other than itself. Other than itself means what? We will write it. Therefore, sum of the factors other than itself is, therefore, sum of the factors of 2020 other than itself is equal to, we have 4 to 84 minus that particular number 2020. If you subtract it, what do you get? 4 times 4, that is 6, 2, 2, 2 to 6, 4, that is the answer. So that is the second option. Okay, what is the new thing in this? First, sum of the factors of 2020 is regular process, but he is saying that other than itself, he is asking sum of the factors. So that particular number we have subtracted from the result. So that's what we got as 2264. That is nothing but the second option. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. The sum of the factors of 51 except unity. What is unity? Unity is 1. Find out as usual sum of the factors, from that subtract unity. Unity is 1. Then you get the required answer. Okay, now we'll move. 51 we can write as, okay, 3 times of 17. 3 17s are 51. That's all. So prime factors 3 power 1, 7 power 1. Therefore, sum of the factors, that is going to be 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 17 power 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 1 by 17 minus 1. That is going to be 3 square is 9 minus 1, that is 8 upon 2 into 17 plus 1 into 17 minus 1. So 18 will remain here. Okay, this is 4 times. 4 18s are 72. That is actually sum of the factors. But what is asking? Sum of the factors of 51 except unity. Therefore, sum of the factors of 51 except unity. Unity is nothing but 1. That is 72 minus 1. That is going to be 71. 71 is nothing but the fourth option. So fourth option is the right answer for this question. Okay, that is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.